tao dapat sa isang araw, meron siyang 3 big meals and then 3 snacks. So, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. Para di magugutom.
How can you say that when you're not following it?
I'm following it now.
Okay.
Kaya hindi ako nanggastos sa school.
No.
Huwag kang hahaba pag umaga.
Why?
Hindi.
Pero I read in magazines, you should eat a lot in morning
go.
so that you can lessen your food intake on lunch and dinner.
Ganito. Hab-hab ka sa umaga. Tapos, if you want bread, go for 4 small pandesals.
Okay.
That's the limitation. And then, go grab rice.
Oh,
like
okay.
lugaw, ganyan. 1 cup hot. Take note, 1 cup, not 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 1 cup only. And for, the calorie number of 1 bread is 90 calories. Compared to rice is more, has more fiber than bread. Kasi ang bread kasi, wala yung fiber kasi flour lang. Kaya nga, you should, if you want to shift or you want to lose weight,
you should eat more rice.
Eat more rice, but limit only.
Oh, I thought
just 1 cup of rice. Don't exceed
rice will turn into sugar.
Yes!
Okay.
But it has fiber. If you have if you have to pick between bread and rice, go grab
bread.
rice. But rice, but no. Why rice? Because if you have 1 rice, you'll be satisfied because you have ulam, you have sabaw.
Oh yeah,
yes,
yeah.
You have rice. But if you would take one tinapay, it's 90 calories. You'll crave for more, lalo pag masarap.
Yeah.
So, ang minimum mo ng tinapay is not only 1. 90 calories. So, kaya mo siguro ubusin. Kunyari, 5 pandesal sa umaga. 90. Depende pa yun sa klase ng tinapay na kakainin mo.
Tapos, depende pa kung paano ko siya. Kung kung mawawala agad siya sa katawan ko, syempre by walking and everything.
Paano kung yung tinapay na gusto mo yung ensaymada, yung mga puro yung puro greasy, wala. Hindi lang 90 calories yun. Take note ha, pwede din 150 calories kada isang tinapay. For example, this one. Yan. Tingnan mo, nakalagay dyan, calories is 250 calories.
What?
250 calories.
250? Diba? Are you kidding me?
And then, this is the serving size. 2 pieces is equal to 75 grams. So, yan. Sabihin natin, ang calorie niyan ay, sabihin natin 90. 90 times 2, 180.
Yeah.
Sa 2 servings, 180 yung dalawang yun. 4 na piraso to sa loob. So, 90 times 4 kasi 4 pieces.
Yeah,
so
it's like 360.
So, it's not 250, it's 360. Ganun ang math sa pagkain. If you want to choose snacks,
eat fruits.
Keep looking at nutrition label. Tapos, I prefer, if you want snacks, go choose mga fresh fruits o kaya siomai.
Siomai?
Oo, yes.
Are you kidding me?
Kahit
siomai is processed, di ba?
Kahit anong, basta no bread at all. Kung mag-crave ka ng bread, 3 times a week lang, ganun. Tapos yung servings, basta, ganun. Tapos more on, yun nga, big snacks. No oils, no margarines, no peanut butter. As in, no. Look at the peanut butter. Look. Okay, mother of peanuts. Okay, so, pangtanggal ng mukha, pangtanggal ng pimples, panginis ng mukha. No peanut butter kasi, since peanut yan, yung oil, yung greasy. Okay lang kung peanut lang may oil na kasama, may butter na kasama. Diba?
Okay, so that's all?
That's all. Yun pa. Tapos, hab-hab sa umaga, konting hab-hab sa tanghali, sa gabi, lesson na, damihan mo lang yung snacks mo.
Snacks.
Snacks.
What would you recommend? Water.
Dapat meron kang container. Yung isang Nature Spring, dapat maka 12 beses ka na ganun, okay?
12? Are you kidding me?
Yes, 12 or
12 na
10.
maliit?
Oo, 250 lang yun.
Hindi yung maliit na Nature Spring.
Oo.
Hindi yung ganun
Eh
na
kung
sobrang...
yung 500, mga 5.
Okay.
Ganun, para healthy ka. Yun na.
That's all. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.